Today we are going to look at how to trade volatility 75 index on a 5-minute chart. Every day we have to look at how we are going to benefit from this market at every opening of the day trade. We are looking at the beginning of the day. Here we are trying to look at this line. I see this dotted line here. This dotted line shows the opening of the New York session, and most of the times we are looking at the direction of the market on that particular day. Today, 4th of April 2023, the market most of the times opens at this line appears at around 3 a.m. in the morning. Most of the times when this line opens, it finds when the market is continuing, when the market has had its continuity for that day. Now, if you look closely here, you'd see this line appeared when the market was trying to come up with buy sells, those green candles. The market was in buy, which was in bullish. But when the New York session opened, in this first box we see here, the big banks try to push this market down, try to put it down. And most of the times we see these big banks trying to push the market in the opposite direction. You always get ready for your trade. Then when you wait for a few minutes, when this market tries to bounce back, you see this market try to bounce back from here. Let me show you here. You see, it try to come back here from this odd order block, the last lower of the day. So when the market came back here, it was retracing back here to the order block of the previous day. Now I hope we understand. Today is 4th. Now this was the higher, was the lower of the day of 3rd of April 2023. Then they are pushing it back into this order block. Then the max now starts to flourish down, like trying to slope down. You see, now the market has been in a sell zone for almost the whole day. Actually, it stopped at around, you count like 2 hours or 3 hours, then to reach to this lower of the day. Then the market had to actually get another direction. But if at all you want to make some money, always look for such potentials. Wait for the big banks to first push the market in the opposite direction. Wait in the market to fight back, to try to retrace, like to revenge. Then after revenging, you look for the opportunity. You try to enter the market at every level you want. You can actually even decide to enter the market with any lot size of your choice.